Now, Natyashastra mentions 8 rasas. Okay. Later, Abhinavagupta added the 9th rasa. Okay, into the rasanubhuti. Which among the following is that 9th rasa? Meaning there is this Navarasa concept, if you know now. So initially they are telling there was only 8 rasas, and later the 9th one was added. Which was that 9th one? Okay, so Shringar, love, Veer, heroism, Adbhut, wonder, and Shanta, peace. So here if you see the Shanta, peace, right, that was the one which was the 9th one. Remaining these are all among the first 8 first 8 rasas. So if you see, Natyashastra speaks of 8 rasas, rasanubhuti. So Sringar, love, Hasya, humorous, Karuna, sorrow, Raudra, anger, Veer, heroism, Bhayanak, fear, Bibhads, disgust, Adbhut, wonder. Then later, Abhinavagupta added the 9th one, that is Shanta, peace. Okay, so Abhinavagupta will read something. He was a Kashmiri Shaiva philosopher who lived in 1000 AD. Abhinavagupta wrote this Abhinava Bharati, a commentary of Natyashastra of Bharatha. Okay, so Bharatha is the one who started Natyashastra, in which 8 rasas was there, and then the 9th rasa was added by this person who is a Kashmiri Shaiva philosopher. For the first time, he brought a technical definition of rasa. As per him, rasa is the universal bliss of the Atman, colored by the emotional tone of the drama, and rasa bhava is the central concept in Indian performing arts such as dance, drama, cinema, literature, etc. Okay, we have that 8 classical dance are there, and we have little drama. We have lot of things, right, in the cultural part. All those, there is a central concept, that is this rasa. Okay, so bhava means to become. Bhava is the state of mind, while rasa is the aesthetic flavor that results from the bhava. The bhava themselves carry no meaning in the absence of rasa. Okay, so that 8-9 rasas which we told, right, that is very, very significant. When we watch a movie, a sad scene makes us cry, that is rasa. The rasa bhava is what establishes a relation between the performer and the audience. Okay, so that emotions are well connected if you have these 9 rasas. Okay, so that technical definition, right, that entire thing is given by this person. In Natyashastra, maybe it was just listed. He is explaining the technical reasons for it. So although he is labeled as a Shaiva philosopher, his works comprise of various currents of intellectual thinking such as aesthetics, dramaturgy, music, tantra, yoga, literary criticism, devotional poetry, cognitive science, emotion, philosophy, mind, language. So every kind of thing he was working. Okay, it's not like he's some Shiva Bhakti person, Bhakti movement or something. He's doing lot of things in the culture part. So his most important work is this Tantra Loka, which is an encyclopedia of Tantra and synthesis of the Trika system. Okay, Trika system is another name for Kashmir Shaivism and refers to threefold signs of man in his world. The supplementary work to Tantra Loka is Tantra Rasa, which is the summary of Tantra Loka. Other writings include Pratyabhigya. Okay, so you just have to by heart all these things. Abhinava Bharati, Tantra Loka, Trika system, Tantra Rasa, which is a summary of Tantra Loka, and then Pratyabhigya, which stands for identifying and not attaining. Knowledge has always had a very important role in Indian society. There is unusual sense of humanity that exists in his commentary on the Gita. He is more egalitarian, which can be observed in his work. Okay, egalitarian means who wants an equal society kind of thing. So the versatility of Abhinavagupta was such that his works are even today being researched in over 50 countries worldwide. Okay, so this is the detailing, and like this, please study each and every MCQ. There are more than 10,000 MCQs we are giving, and you can easily score or double your marks in prelims. Okay, so next one.